In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see page views in Google Analytics. By the end, you'll know exactly how to zero in on the pages you care about and view their performance without digging through endless rows of data. First, open your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're in the correct property for the website you want to analyze so the data you see is relevant to your site. Next, click Reports in the left-hand menu. Reports is where Google Analytics gathers your standard, ready-made dashboards so you can quickly find the metrics that matter. From here, click View User Engagement. This section highlights how people interact with your content, and it's the gateway to the detailed breakdown we need. Now, click Pages and Screens. This report lists your individual pages and screens and includes key metrics such as views, users, and average engagement time. Since we're focused on page views, we'll use this report to filter the results down to a specific set of pages. Click Add Filter near the top of the report. Filters let you narrow the table so you only see the rows that match your criteria, which saves time and gives more meaningful insights. In the filter setup, on Dimension, enter Page Path. The page path is the part of the URL that comes after your domain. For example, if your URL is example.com/blog/campaign-tips, the page path is /blog/campaign-tips. Choosing page path tells Analytics to evaluate the actual URL paths rather than page titles. On match type, select Contains. Contains is flexible because it returns any URL that includes the text you specify anywhere in the path. This is perfect for grouping related content, like everything under a blog, or for finding all pages that mention a specific product keyword in the URL. Enter your keyword or path fragment in the value field, then click Apply. Analytics will immediately refresh the table to include only the pages whose paths contain that text. You'll now see all the URLs containing your chosen keyword, along with their page views. Focus on the Views column to understand which matching pages are getting the most traffic. If your keyword represents a section, like blog, or support, this is a quick way to see total interest across that entire section. If it's a product or campaign keyword, it helps confirm which variations are attracting the most visitors. That's it. You opened your account, navigated to reports, viewed user engagement, drilled into pages and screens, added a filter for page path, chose the Contains match type, and applied it to instantly see page views for the URLs that matter to you.